throughput, capacity, availability, fault tolerance, safety, and flexibility. Flexibility. For example, easy to update, easy to upgrade. Sahal, to update, to upgrade. So you design such architecture in which you can easily remove a component and plug the new component. Remove previous pattern, plug the new pattern. Like one module, remove one and put the another without changing the entire. Then we discuss about availability. Yeah, software must be available throughout the day, like 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Performance. It must be quickly response to the efficient, high efficiency in terms, that is the performance. Functionality, of course, it is required. And we have functional requirements and we have non-functional requirements. So during the design, we have to consider the non-functional requirement. But during the analysis, we have to consider the functional requirement. So this is the difference. Safety. We already covered about the safety critical projects. Safety critical projects. Where human life risks are involved, khatar. Human life. For example, Mr. Khalid. Example. Safety critical project. Where human life risks are involved. Job, or we are talking about software. Yeah, Mr. Darvesh, Mr. Brahma, Mr. Amor. Yes. Flight control software, air traffic control systems, flight control software. Yes, the operations by the robotics, heart operation, liver operation, kidney operation, brain operation by machines. You need to have 99.99% accuracy. Yes, and the medical recommendation, medicine recommendation. Like a real doctor, real specialist. Take this medicine, take this medicine. Fire alarming software. Fire alarming. It's also safety critical project. Yes, that is also, but we are talking about the main example, easy to understand, that is the safety critical projects. So in the safety critical project, you need testing more as compared to the normal. It has more time for analysis, complete requirements, and then freeze them. No change. Make your strong architecture, then strongly you check the code, testing, and then when you are sure about it. Or space shuttle is also safety critical. Like in 1984, American space shuttle, its name was Challenger. It was blasted within few seconds, like 11 seconds, because there was a mistake in the software. The condition was not checked, and 14 people were died, 14 astronauts, and it was $1 billion project. $1 billion. Human mistake. Because he used wrong equivalent operator. You know equivalent operator? So there must be 2. He put 1. So it was logical error. It was not syntax error. So during the testing, nobody noticed. Everything fine. Clear. The result was lost. Anyway, so these are the forces in the civil architecture, software architecture we have, and we are merging the technology to avoid any failure. In the architectural approach, we have purpose, we have representation, we have process. In the purpose, intellectual control is there, basis for reuse, basis for project management. So you have intellectual control, you reuse the concept in terms of design, in terms of code, and the project management risk reduction objective is, and the interface point of view, we have 4+ view model. One model we will discuss inshallah in the coming slide, and we have a process. We have to consider how we are using this one to implement the pattern. So architecture is basically a major decision in your software system. Selection of structural element, behave as specified, composition, that you can study by yourself. So your software architecture must involve the usage, how much is the frequency of use of that application, functionality, performance, flexibility, reuse, we already covered, comprehensibility, make it compose, complete as much as possible, economic and technological constraints and trade-offs, aesthetic concern. What is aesthetic concern? Aesthetic concern. Aesthetic means it must have high usability, user friendliness. Interface must be user friendly, and it should be clean and nice, professional. It should be clean, nice and professional. Easy to use and attractive, not ugly. Otherwise you use some bad colors, that when user will go to that page, you feel something, some colors doesn't feel good for the eyes. So you have to be very careful while designing the interface. You should not use such colors that feel bad to you. If you see windows, it's like sky color. That is not feeling problematic for the people. You look towards the sky or the sea, bluish color. That doesn't feel bad to your brain and the heart of everything, because rays are passed. This is the 4+1 view model. We have design view, we have component view, we have use case view, process view, and we have deployment view. So this is called 4+1 view. Design, component, use case, deployment, and process view. Like the database views. Like the database. Can you see? Can you see the last somehow? Is it clear? Better? So we have to consider these views while the designing of the system. So analyst, tester, we have end user, we have system integrators, we have system engineering, and we have the programmers. So these are the people involved in all this. The design view, functionality, and the vocabulary, the text messages, software management by the programmers, the component view, system engineering is regarding the deployment view, the system topology, delivery and illustration, the communication, and the system integrator, performance, scalability, throughput. What is scalability? Scalability. Anybody?
Maybe this is scalability means the system must be able to run with the high performance.
Scalable mean you can upgrade your systems, like as number of users increase, you need more servers. For example, Google. As Google users are increased, they increase the number of, so your network is scalable. Same, your system is scalable, upgrade, evolving. So that means your system should be evolvable, upgrade. Even your network, the server, the hardware, you can update, you can upgrade. Hotmail, Gmail, the same, they all do the same. As their users increase, they increase the number of servers to make it compatible with the user's frequency and the usage. Amazon, they also did the same. Amazon, initially the users were less. With the passage of time, like in 99, 2000, they were selling only books. Now in 2014, they are selling products from A to Z, like Hyper Panda, Danube, Aziz Mal, Udlas Mal. You can buy chocolate, you can buy food, grocery, you can buy vegetable, fruit, shirt, Kindle, the tablet, books, cosmetics, sports, clothes, everything is there. So they increase the number of servers because now they have business in throughout the world. They are getting orders from all over the world. And now they have warehouses in each country rather than only from America they are shipping. In Germany, in England, UK, Kingdom, same in Australia. So now they have their warehouses there. To scalable, their system is scalable as per the number of users.
So this is another word, flexible.
Yes. Flexible is in terms of, we are talking about software. Here we are talking about the hardware. About the hardware.